Hey guys, it comes as no surprise that more and more organizations are moving to the cloud, as doing so reduce unnecessary overhead by offloading the responsibility of physical servers to a cloud provider. Buying and maintaining bare metal is not only a time-consuming task but is also very expensive. Well guys, this video is going to be a little technical and beneficial for the professional working in IT company. I will provide a list of essential topics you should consider before you start a plan your cloud migrations blueprint. And here the checklist goes. Your resource need is the number one item. Before anything else, it is essential to identify your existing resource to have a clear understanding of your capacity need. Before you build a new cloud infrastructure, it is crucial to look at every piece of your company hardware to determine if a cloud can offer what you need to move your business successfully to the new platform. You will need to consider all your application and web server, database, storage and other components to find the most appropriate service in the cloud that will suit your need when looking to replace them. Number 2, software licensing and support. So guys, your existing software may require some additional licensing in the cloud. This may not be available, however, so it takes this possibility into your careful considerations. Make sure to your vendor support applies to the cloud, as some platform may have a strict requirement. If you have a licensed Microsoft Server applications, those that are eligible and covered by an active software assurance can be deployed on AWS using the existing license, thus allowing for an easier transition to the cloud. Do not forget to consult both your budgeting, planning and legal team. Number 3, scalability and automation. How to ensure optimal performance. AWS allow for a scalability and automations, both of which can be greatly benefit your business. If your environment is expected to grow over the period of time, you can design a scalable infrastructure in the cloud that will support the increased traffic into no drop in the performance. You also can scale your infrastructure vertically by increasing the specific resources, or you can scale horizontally by increasing the number of resources of the same type. Horizontal scaling is a great way to achieve elasticity of your product. Is designed to distribute the workload to the multiple resources. Number 4 guys, identify the application you want to migrate first. When you're migrating your business to the cloud, you have an option to do one big push or migrate only over the period of time. If you are not doing the migration in one big push, determine the migration candidate you will move first. Use them as a use case both when you're presenting the migration idea and when you're planning the migration itself. Usually you will want to find the applications that are not very complex nor have lots of dependencies. You will want to choose something that you can migrate as easily as possible while utilizing the cloud in such a way as to demonstrate clearly why doing so is beneficial. Number 5, transition. What you know about the hybrid model? Moving to the cloud is not a small task. Even when planning a full cloud migration, the transition period will take time. From the moment you extend your data center to the cloud until you are fully migrated, you are essentially in a hybrid cloud. This will affect a security, management and cost, so be sure you plan for it accordingly. You will need to focus on the communications between the two platforms, as your data will be traveling both. Networking will be both the crucial path and the bottleneck, as look into the VPN connections to protect your data as it travels across the public internet.
And thanks for watching this video. If you have any further queries, do let me know in your comments. And see you in next video.